Hello, I'm Rev Skip, and today's meditation is all about worthiness. We have been taught the direct opposite, unworthiness, from our teachers, sometimes our parents, society, media. We're taught that we are undeserving of God's gifts that is innately within ourselves. This unworthiness can come in the form of a commercial that tells you you need something so you can feel better, or we see a film that says that we need to have a partner in our lives to be happy. It also teaches us that we must work to feel worthy, and when we don't feel connected, we have a tendency to beat ourselves up with shame and blame. This meditation is about shifting our mindset because worthiness is consciousness. Worthiness begins with your belief. Many avatars have taught us it is done as we believe. When we feel worthy, we feel connected. We truly experience our oneness with Spirit. Because God is who we are and who we are as God, we have everything that the universe or Spirit or Gaia or God is. When we are feeling unworthy, a simple statement of truth can bring us back to the realization. God is, I am. I am, God is. So we look at all the divine qualities and characteristics of the universe. Love, peace, oneness, prosperity, plenitude, grace, compassion, kindness, beauty, expansion, power. All these divine qualities that I just mentioned lives within us. Before we head into our meditation and affirmations, I want to talk to you about a law. It's called the Law of Radiance. The Law of Radiance says that we radiate what is within us. Might be our feelings or vibration or energy, and what we radiate is what we get more of. So again, it begins with your conscious awareness of the truth. So this meditation and affirmations will help us to remember our worthiness. We are worthy because we are, period. We don't have to work for it. It is unconditional, and it begins with a yes. So I invite you to get comfortable. Find your place that you'd love to meditate. Your sacred space. You can do this meditation lying down, or you can be in your seat. It's up to you. Once you settle in, get comfortable. Close your eyes and just begin to connect with your breath. Begin to inhale through the nostrils and exhale through the mouth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Begin to follow your ebb and flow, your natural pace of breathing. Release your body and turn on your mind. allow your spirit to connect with the guided meditation. We begin with a simple affirmation. You can repeat after me aloud or to yourself. God is, I am. I am, God is. God is, I am. I am, God is. I am worthy of all the divine qualities of the universe. I am worthy. I am worthy to experience love. I am worthy to experience peace. I am worthy to experience oneness. I am worthy to experience prosperity. I am worthy to experience joy. I am worthy to experience plenitude. I am worthy to experience love. I am worthy to be loved and to love. I am worthy of all the things that God has in store for me. I am worthy of all my blessings. I release all unworthy thoughts. I release any feelings of unworthiness. I am more than enough. I am enough. I radiate joy. Love. peace, oneness, prosperity, plenitude, I am the light, and I shine it bright. So I invite you just to take a deep breath in and a big exhale, release. Again, take a deep breath in and a big exhale. And begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe even roll your head side to side. Slowly open up your eyes and become present in the room that you're in. Place your hands onto your heart. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, I am worthy. Inhale. Exhale, I am worthy. Inhale. Exhale, I am worthy. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation and affirmations. Until next time, I'm Rev Skip. And remember, transformation is a choice. Be well.